all getting a bit real now. Hi guys, a little bit of a different video this week, hence I'm filming it in my kitchen. I recently entered a dream car giveaway competition and I won. I actually won a car. So this video is just a quick video on everything from receiving the phone call to collecting the car. So let's start with the phone call. Let's go.
And it is an unsold ticket number. So like we said earlier, Alex will go back to Google, regenerate a new number, which is 15,077 15077. And that belongs to Jacob Cooper. Jacob, massive congratulations. You are the winner of one of 19 individual Atlantis blue E36 M3s, fitted with electric Vader seats and an S54 engine out of an E36 M3. Massive congratulations, mate. Well done. Alice will put your details up. We'll give you a ring, let you know the good news.
Hello?
Oh yeah, is that Jacob Cooper?
It is, mate, yeah.
Hiya mate, it's Chris from Dream Car.
Hello?
Hiya mate, it's Chris from Dream Car. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, mate.
Any ideas why I might be calling you, mate?
Yeah, I do, mate, yeah.
Yeah? You gonna share them, or you playing it safe?
Because I bought some tickets for a car.
You have
we were
bought
just
some
talking
tickets?
about you guys, actually.
I hope it was all good.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, of course it was, boys. Well, mate, I'm calling to give you some amazing news. You are the winner of the BMW E36, mate. Huge congratulations.
For fuck's sake, I can't believe it.
You bought 10 tickets, yeah?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Unbelievable, mate. You a big Beamer fan?
Yeah, I am, yeah. I think I met you at Goodwood. I've got the E21.
Oh,
you guys used to have.
Yeah. Unbelievable, mate. Well.
Yeah, it is, yeah, this is, yeah.
Congratulations, you've now got an E36 as well.
Ah, fucking hell. Yeah.
Mate, that is so rare as well. That is so rare. One of 19 in that colour with electric Vader seats, which is unheard of. Mate.
Yeah, I honestly can't believe it, if I'm honest with you.
Mate, I love it. Where are you from?
From Yorkshire.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, so...
Alright, mate, well, what we'll do is, we'll finish the draw, we'll shoot you a message, arrange for you to come down, pick the car up, get you on your way.
Right, that's fantastic.
Alright, Jacob, thanks, mate.
Thank you. Cheers,
Congratulations again, we'll speak to you soon.
Oh my god.
Cheers, mate. Speak to you soon. Bye.
What's just happened?
I fucking told you I'm going to win it.
What have you won?
That's mad.
What?
Got the M3.
You're having a laugh. You're having
Search this. Give us the number. Let's search this number.
Dude.
Yeah, that's
How do you feel?
I don't know why. I feel fantastic.
right, so Jacob.
It's crazy.
Tell us about your prize.
I need to look at it again. Let me have a look. Let me have a look at my prize.
I hope you're making a YouTube video now of the entire experience of winning a car, driving down, getting the car, and making a vlog about the car, and reviewing said car. Two.
Is this what is this?
It's my new whip.
How many people do I know that have won them now?
Mike Rhodes won two.
And I was gonna swap the E21 with some money for a car exactly like this, but red on it. And last week, and I didn't do it.
Nah, blue's way better.
Now I've got this.
What?
Which doesn't even feel real. I don't even feel like I don't
It
feel
looked better
real.
in silver, but that's not too good.
Silver? Nah.
Are you excited to pick up your new car?
Yes, I am. Can't believe it. What the motherfucking... Not allowed to swear, am I? Can't believe I've won it and it's still not sunk in. And we're nearly there. And we've been stuck in traffic for ages. And now we're nearly there. And we're 6.5 miles away from a new car. A new M3. I never win anything. But today, I'm a winner.
How many tickets do you think you've bought in total on Dream Car giveaways?
What, the whole time I've played this game?
Yeah, how long have you played the game for?
Many years. And I've bought many tickets, although I've pulled off lately. As we thought, it's not that simple to get down there because it's the school holidays, so it's taken us a long time. We've been stuck in traffic, we've been doing 50 miles an hour, we've been at a standstill on the M42. I might need to stop for a peanut bush, but we're nearly there. We're 6 miles away. The Z4. Car of dreams. Stop for a pee, 6 miles away, so I don't walk in and be like, excuse me, can I have a toilet please? So that's what I'm gonna do, so yeah. It's hot.
Are you ready?
I'm nervous for some reason. It's probably because I don't know, never won a car. Oh!
Oh! There she is.
Oh, it's all getting a bit real now. Pulling in. It's all getting a bit real now. There she is, look. Hello, Dream Cars headquarters. This is crazy. This is crazy. Well, I'm assuming we
Press buzzer.
press the buzzer. This is insane. Welcome to Dream Car Give. Oh, we're getting let in. We're getting let in. We didn't need to press the buzzer. That's what he's got tickets for.
Oh yeah, my stepdad's got tickets on that one.
Look at this. It still feels. Yeah. The whole situation feels
Mad, isn't it?
Jesus. It's real. It's real. It's a real thing. That is immaculate, isn't it?
Yes, it is a nice example to be fair.
Yeah.
And it, having the engine's not actually, it just transforms that right.
Right. I'm not driven
Keep it out here and everywhere.
Oh, nice steering wheel as well.
Yeah, put a new gear on it there for you.
Yeah, so we're just saying to Faye, I hope that kid, I just bought the lamp on myself for that exact same gear, and I'm like, this is so nice, I'm way down here. Oh, well. Gosh, okay.
How do you feel?
It's absolutely immaculate. Absolutely beautiful. Crazy.
Where are we going now?
Cafe in the machine, I think, just because it's not far away. Just trying to get it out off the ramps, just make sure it doesn't scrape. I can't believe how clean it is, that is. Well, thank you very much. Yeah, you too. Should I just pull it out there to the other car?
Yeah, just put it wherever.
Electric.
How was your first drive?
Fantastic.
You love it?
I do, yeah. Pretty crazy.
It looks so good on the road.
Indicator's not working randomly. And it does make a little crackly sound sometimes when you're just cruising up down a little bit. I can't tell if it's just a little loose exhaust baffle or something engine. But yeah. Fucking amazing. How crazy is that? Ooh, I forgot we were doing a video.
How does it feel eating your pizza next to your new M3?
Feels good. I'm glad you paid for this pizza. Really makes me feel even better. Won it, won the pizza.
You just had a look underneath your car.
Just had a look underneath. Jacking points are still there. Rare on an E36. It's had a full underbody restoration. The underside is the same colour as the outside. The only thing, I am sweating my tits off. Still, because the aircon doesn't work, so I get that regassed if it works. It's ace. It's ace. So here we are, a few weeks later, after the big win, and here she is. Just thought I'd do a little video. Still can't believe it, still can't believe I won it. M3 Evo. I didn't walk around it, I didn't do anything before. I've drove it for a couple of weeks, I've tweaked it a little bit, and I've just got a flat tyre actually on the way here, so pretty stoked on that one. But here she is, Atlantis Blue M3 Evo. Quick walk round, it's not a review or anything like that, but can't believe it. My dream whip, and I can't wait to add my own little touches to it. But as you can see, clean, very clean. It's got the M3 exhausts, It's got the standard M3 wheels, which I will be changing at some point because I fancy something a little different. It's got the coilovers on the, what are the coilovers called again? KW Club Sports. It's got them on. It's got the E36 tailpipe with the S54 cats. We'll go inside and have a little look around inside. There's your nice MTech 1, I believe, steering wheel, or MTech 2, can't remember. But beautiful, retrimmed, feels really good. It's quite large, feels good. It's got the sport button for the like the E46 M3. Carbon trim, really neat. It's got electric Vaders, which are really quite rare. Never seen them before. And it goes really well. It's got a fire extinguisher as well, just in case. You never know, dear. You never know. And if you just look here, there's the flat tyre that I've just acquired, which I'm pretty stoked about because they're brand new tyres. Engine-wise, S54 lump, beast. Sounds beautiful. I was actually going to do a pull and show you it, but now I've got a flat tyre. I don't know what I'm going to do. That's the situation I'm in. We've just literally realised it's flat now, and we're randomly in an industrial estate somewhere because it's going into storage tomorrow while I get the E21 sorted. And then I can start working on, well, get that out and do some bits to it. Not going to do too much to it. But yeah. Flat tyre, so I don't know what to do. There might be some driving in this video, there might not. But as you can see, it's beautiful. I love it. And thanks Dream Car Giveaways, because I can't believe it happened. Julia? She feels good. Did you see that E36 M3 on Dream Car Giveaways?
That blue one, yeah, with the clear indicators on side.
Yeah, with E46 M3 engine.
Oh, is it an E46 M3?
Yeah.
Go on.
Just won it.
Fuck off.